National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Cleveland County and central Oklahoma, northeastern.
We got a large tornado on the ground.
Northwestern McLean County and
headed right for Carney.
6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm located near Blanchard, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazards in the warning include large damaging hail up to 2 inches in diameter, damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Norman, Newcastle, Noble, Slaughterville, Blanchard, Goldsby, Cole, Stanley, Draper Lake, and Bridge Creek. Large damaging hail is likely. Take shelter now in a sturdy building and stay away from windows. Severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes with no warning. Get to a storm shelter.
Once we get to like a kind of like on top of a hill somewhere, we might try and pull over and get a better look.
Effective till 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for West Central Lincoln and northeastern Oklahoma counties. At 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. 30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for central Oklahoma counties.
Oh man, feel this!
Hazards in the warning include large damaging hail up to 2 inches in diameter, damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. Locations. Spencer, Joe, Michael Park, Tinker Air Force Base, Forest Park, Valley Brook, and Lake Luma. Large damaging hail is likely. Take shelter now in a sturdy building and stay away from windows. Severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes with no warning. Get to a storm shelter or sturdy building if a tornado approaches. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm.
It's out in front of us. It's past.
Central Cleveland County and central Oklahoma, northeastern Grady County and central Oklahoma, northwestern. Tornado located near Leopard, moving east at 30 miles an hour.
I don't like how all this shit
To a tornado.
Huh?
makes it 10 times
Connected
worse.
with this storm. Locations impacted include Boston and Leopard. Take cover now in a storm shelter or the interior room of a sturdy building. Stay away from doors and windows. A severe thunderstorm central Oklahoma County at 5:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time. National Weather Service meteorologists continue to detect a severe thunderstorm located near Hills, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazards in the warning include large damaging hail up to 2 inches. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for northern Lincoln County and central Oklahoma at 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Okay, we're good to move forward.
Storm spotters were
We're good.
large and extremely dangerous tornado
Yeah, this is where it hit.
West City, Hill City, Choctaw, Hera, Spencer, Jones, Tacoma Park, Tinker Air Force Base, Forest Park, Valley Brook, and Lake Luma. Large damaging hail is likely. Take shelter now in a sturdy building
Yeah, it's
and stay away
lifted.
from windows. Severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes with no warning. Get to a storm shelter or sturdy building if a tornado approaches.
What should we do?
No, they got people on this. We're good.
Norman has issued a tornado warning for northern Lincoln County and central Oklahoma until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At
This is where it was on the ground,
4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. National Weather